The Anvil study maps the diversity of 22 national security systems in Europe. Understanding the cultural, institutional, legal and operational differences is critical in understanding what works in European cooperation. The countries in this study experienced the following types of crises: natural disasters and infectious diseases, industrial and transportation accidents, critical infrastructure failures, and terrorist attacks or other violent intentional threats. The dominant crisis approach is an all-hazard approach. Typically, operational crisis management is the shared responsibility of several local agencies and emergency responders. Even in centralized states, crisis management is a relatively decentralized field. The dominant legal solution for emergency management is the use of umbrella laws in combination with functional legislation. Most countries examined have signed formal agreements on emergency assistance with nearly all of their neighbours. The majority of citizens believe their country is doing enough to fight natural and man-made disasters. There is a relative difference, however, between the older EU member states and the new member states. Most countries remain hesitant to outsource core crisis management tasks. Most stakeholders believe their systems at large are rather well prepared for crises. However, there remains room for improvement in the areas of coordination, planning and preparation, forecasting and warning, control and overview and expertise at the local level. Due to the cross-cutting nature of crisis management through a variety of agencies and multi-level financing, it seems impossible to assess costs and efficiency in crisis management. All countries are modernizing their systems, but the pace of innovation is rather slow. Citizens say a coordinated EU action is more effective than actions by individual member states. However, some of the bigger states, such as the UK and Germany, are skeptical of further integration. This is due to issues of both national sovereignty and the fear of bearing the financial burdens of southern and eastern states. Our findings suggest the EU should continue improving coordination among member states, but using an evidence-based approach to ensure that local diversity and practitioner concerns are both understood and addressed. Top-down decisions may conflict with the simple fact that in today's European civil security systems, there is no one-size-fits-all solution. For the country studies and full reports, please visit www.anvil-project.net. The Anvil project is co-funded by the European Commission within the 7th Framework Programme. This video was produced by Crisis Plan. www.crisisplan.nl